The last thing we need to do from the wireframe is a little bit more tricky. We want a link that says Contact Phil, and we want this to point to the personal contact form for that user. Let's save this view and take a look at what that contact form actually looks like. So if we go to People, let's go to Phil here, and we click Contact, we can see the contact form. The benefits to a contact form is that it obfuscates the user's email address. So when someone sends a message to Phil, they don't see his actual email address, they just fill out this form. Email addresses can be captured by spam bots, and in general, it's a good idea not to leave them exposed in a publicly indexable site. Now, if we were creating a view of users, it would be very easy to add a link to this contact form that's connected directly to the user. Let's look at that real quick. I'm going to go to Structure, Views, Add New View. We'll call this Delete Me. And under here, we're going to show users, and we'll click Save and Edit. So it shows all of our users here, and we can add a field for the contact link. We'll click Add and Configure Fields. We'll click Apply. And now the link here under each of the users can be opened up, and we can use the contact form for that user. So this is what we want in our wireframe, specifically for just Phil and Sandra. All right, I'm going to delete this view.